This back massager is absolutely everywhere right now, popping up in ads, reels, and sponsor posts, all claiming it can fix sciatica and back pain almost instantly. So the real question is whether the Smooth Spine Triple Fusion massager is actually a breakthrough device or just another viral product riding aggressive marketing. On paper, it sounds impressive, combining heat, vibration, and spinal traction into one compact massager designed to relax muscles and relieve nerve pressure. And after using it consistently, the results are mixed rather than miraculous. Some users report temporary relief and muscle relaxation, especially from the heat and vibration, but that relief often feels short-lived and nowhere near the permanent sciatica solution being advertised. Digging deeper reveals that the marketing leaves out important details, particularly about expectations, limitations, and long-term effectiveness. More concerning are the patterns reported by buyers after purchase, including delayed shipping, difficulty reaching customer support, and unexpected $28 to $29 charges appearing days later that were never clearly disclosed during checkout. Hundreds of real customer reviews point to similar complaints, from confusing return policies to billing issues that required bank disputes to resolve. While the device itself isn't outright useless, it also doesn't seem to deliver the dramatic results promised in the ads, especially for serious or chronic spinal conditions. The most common complaints people wish they knew earlier involve unclear subscriptions, vague refund terms, and customer service that goes silent once payment is processed. In the end, the Smooth Spine Triple Fusion massager sits in a gray area, not a total scam, but far from the miracle cure it's marketed as, making it a product that requires serious caution, realistic expectations, and careful attention before deciding whether it's truly worth your money.